And once your phone connects successfully and the live view loads inside the app, your Qubo dashcam is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to use. In most cases, Wi-Fi connection issues with the Qubo dashcam are caused by setup interruptions, phone settings, or outdated software. If the problem still continues, the final step is to reset the dashcam to factory settings and repeat the setup process from the beginning. This clears previous connection data and often resolves persistent issues. Before resetting, make sure both the dashcam firmware and app are fully updated. Update the Qubo Pro app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if an update is available. Then check for Qubo Dashcam firmware updates on the official Qubo firmware page and install them by following the provided instructions, which may involve using a micro SD card. Also, check your phone's network settings. On Android, disable Smart Network Switch or Adaptive Wi-Fi so your phone doesn't switch to mobile data. On iPhone, turn off Wi-Fi Assist to prevent automatic switching away from the dashcam's Wi-Fi. Another important step is disabling conflicting features. Apple CarPlay or Android Auto can interfere with the dashcam's Wi-Fi, so disconnect them temporarily during setup or when accessing the camera. During setup, manually connect to the dashcam's Wi-Fi hotspot if your phone doesn't connect automatically. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings, select the Qubo dashcam network, and enter the default password 12345678. Make sure the setup is correct from the start. The dash cam should be properly powered, the car ignition should be on, and you should see a red LED indicator. The device will announce that it's ready for setup. Follow the instructions shown in the Qubo Pro app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we covered how to fix Qubo dashcam not connecting to Wi-Fi step by step. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.